Oh, hello, Thomas. Hello, Percy. Aren't you a little late? Yeah, I had a slip up at Ellsbridge Junction. Hit Toby as he was traveling down the line. Huh, I guess the points weren't set. I guess not, but then again, the railway men here are kind of short. Oh, yeah, I get what you mean. Yeah. Right, well, I gotta deliver the mail. Bye-bye. Bye. Hmm. D Hey, Bob, do you think Mr. Conductor is up to anything? Bob? Huh? Do you listen to anything I say? No, mostly I just scroll on Instagram Reels. Bob, that doesn't exist for another 20 years. Oh, right. I mean, I just tune you out most of the time. Bruh.